condolence to the family. My thoughts and prayers go out to Crystal Brown, to Mr. Brown, to the Horn family, to the kids, to everyone who's had to suffer and endure this tragedy. I want to thank the grand jury for what they did. The grand jury worked very hard. They considered evidence and testimony over a 2-day period. I believe in the grand jury system. I trust the grand jury system. I have confidence in the grand jury system. And I'm proud of the work that the grand jury did in considering all the evidence and testimony before making their decision. I also would like to recognize to my right, this is Colonel Major, this is Major Cindy Williams with the Florida Highway Patrol. I know Corporal Kibler is here somewhere. She was in charge of the death investigation for the Florida Highway Patrol. It was an excellent cooperation between the State Attorney's Office and the Florida Highway Patrol in putting everything together so that we could provide all the information that we could put together for the grand jury so they could make a just and fair decision. I'd also like to thank the Medical Examiner's Office, specifically Chief Medical Examiner Marie Herman, who provided the work on the autopsy and special findings. The Medical Examiner's Office did an excellent job. I'd also like to thank and recognize the staff at the State Attorney's Office. This has been a controversial situation. This has been a case that was a challenge from the beginning, and the work of Jason Lewis, one of our prosecutors, and spearheading the investigation and working with me in the presentation to the grand jury. Mike Taylor, one of our assistant chief investigators, all of the investigators and staff with Noel Griffin, who runs the investigative division, who worked to put together the evidence to present to this grand jury. And I think I'd like to mention as well the fact that the Highway Patrol got their death investigation out as quickly as they could without compromising any quality to make sure that we could get this to the community as quickly as possible. Having said all that, I'll open it up for questions.
Why no charges, sir?